Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a fun and exciting word, basketball. Whether you're a sports fan or just curious about language, this word is sure to bounce right into your vocabulary. Let's get started. So, what is basketball? It's an A2 level noun, which means it's great for learners who are building a solid foundation in English. Simply put, basketball is a ball game where two teams compete to score points by throwing a ball through a hoop. It's a popular sport played all around the world, and it's known for being fast-paced and exciting. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for basketball. While there aren't many direct synonyms, you might hear the term hoops, especially in informal conversations. For example, someone might say, "Let's go play some hoops at the park." You could also refer to it as a ball game, but keep in mind this is more general and not specific to basketball. On the flip side, let's consider antonyms. Since basketball is a type of sport, its antonyms would include activities or terms unrelated to sports, like reading or studying. For example, you could say, "I don't enjoy sports like basketball. I prefer relaxing with a good book." How can we use basketball in everyday life? Here are a few examples. Did you want to play basketball after school? The basketball team won the championship last night. Or, I bought a new basketball for practice this weekend. You might also hear it in expressions like shooting hoops, which means casually playing basketball, or a slam dunk, which can refer to an impressive play in basketball or something done with great success. To wrap things up, we've explored the word basketball, learned its meaning, discussed a synonym like hoops, and looked at its antonyms, such as reading. We've also seen how it fits into everyday conversation with phrases like playing basketball or shooting hoops. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. I'd love to hear your take on today's word, so share your own sentence using basketball in the comments below. Who knows? Your sentence might be featured in a future episode. Until next time, keep learning and have fun with language. See you soon.